Now before you start removing the cover, make sure the radiator is turned off and has cooled down completely. On most radiators, the side panel will be holding the top grille in place. Therefore, the first step in removing the top grille is to unhook the side panels. Now you need to detach from the bottom and unhook from the top. Now, be careful not to break the plastic clips, which also holds the panels together if your radiator comes apart in the same manner as mine. Now once done, you can start cleaning. Now you can clean your radiators in various ways. The first and easiest way to clean your radiator is to use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment. This will help you remove any loose dust and debris from the surface of the radiator. And with a toothbrush, which you can use to gently scrub away any dirt and grime. Now the second method is to clean your radiator using a radiator brush, like this one. These brushes are specially designed to clean the radiators and can help remove any dirt or debris that's stuck in the fins. I will suggest placing a dust sheet, old newspaper, underneath the radiator to collect any loose pieces of dirt. Don't forget to give the front and sides of the radiator too also a good wiping down. And when you're done cleaning, put the cover back on the radiator, making sure it all aligns properly with the clips back in place. So there you have it, a nice clean radiator. And for more videos like this, check out the next video coming up. Happy cleaning!